This is a final video to fix your Void Wireless V2 headset not being detected in RF mode on PC. And if you've been struggling with this issue, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because Windows sometimes fails to recognize the RF dongle or the drivers don't communicate properly with the headset. You might have seen other tutorials on YouTube or social media, but they're usually complicated, full of confusing steps, or require multiple software downloads that don't always work. Today on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that can get your headset working in minutes without reinstalling tons of programs or messing with hidden settings. All you need is a quick driver refresh and a small adjustment in the USB settings, and your PC will detect the headset in RF mode immediately. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below and I'll make sure to cover every single move, so you can fix it without frustration.